Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for my March Nadine West box. This is a clothing subscription. You also get jewelry as well with this one. So you just fill out a profile online. They ask you some questions to kind of get an idea of your style. Then they send it to you and you get this little invoice I'll show at the end. Shows the products and how much they retail for. And if there's anything you don't want, you just put it in the bag, send it back, and you only get charged for what you decide to keep. Always comes nicely packaged like this. Little stickers on it. So let's take a look at what I got. Ooh, well, these are cute. Looks like they're the leggings that have the cutouts on the side. They're very soft. I'll show you those first before we get to the jewelry pieces. And I love the colors, gray, black, maroon. I wear a lot of dark colors like that. These have a high waistband, real thick. I'll try to insert some pictures so you can see like the full outfit at the end. But I'm loving the bottom part, how it's cut out like that. Very nice. And all the leggings I've gotten from them, they're just super soft. Got that. Then we have some earrings by Festival. It says designed in New York. They look like little antlers. That's kind of cool. And then this is probably the necklace. So it's a little layered one. It's pretty. Oh, that's cool. They look like little coins, all sorts of different coins. I don't know if that's picking up the detail. Some of them are plain, and some of them have stuff on them. I like that a lot. And it is adjustable, it looks like. Probably adjust it a little bit if you needed to. Now let's see what's in the other package. I have a bunch of unboxings for this company. I'll put a playlist below in case you want to see some other ideas of items that they have sent me in the past. Ooh, I have not had a little cami or a tank top yet, but I have received a lot of tops that have kind of like the crisscross pattern like that, and I love them. That's just a plain black one. Definitely wear that. And it looks pretty long too. I don't know if I have a long torso or if I'm just a taller person, but a lot of girl shirts aren't long enough on me. So that definitely looks like it would be, and it's really soft again. So I'm excited for that. I wear a ton of black. Ooh, this is cute. So it's kind of like rolled together. Real shiny. And it does have a little stretch to it. Let's see if I can get it on my wrist. There we go. I like that. Very sparkly. And then the last thing in here is just kind of like an oversized top. It's a nice khaki cream color with some navy blue. A little blue pocket here. Again, very soft. Everything I've received is super soft. This is from DNA Culture. Yeah, size large. This one's oversized, but very cute. So that is what I got. Let me go ahead and show you the paper. They give you a little label to return anything, so you don't gotta mess with the shipping. You just put it back in the bag it came in, stick the label on top. Gives you instructions there. So we have the pants were $27.49, the top $25.99. Not your Grammys cami, that's cute. Adjustable straps in black, $25.99. The antler dance gold earrings are $12.99. The layered necklace is $24.99. And this twisted bracelet is $14.99. So super, super easy. I love how convenient this is, and it's nice to have someone pick out something for you, because if you're like me, you're boring and you just kind of go for like the same stuff all the time. So it's nice to switch up your wardrobe. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to sign up for this subscription, I have a promo code below. So I will leave all that information below. Bye, guys.